In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate an image using ChatGPT. So once you've downloaded and installed your ChatGPT application, go ahead and click on it. Once you've started a new chat, click on the plus button here. Click on create image and you can see ChatGPT telling you to describe the image you want to create. So to describe your image, make sure you're specific enough to get the exact output that you desire. As you can see here, I just described the image I want to create. I'm asking ChatGPT to create a 3D cartoon image of a girl sitting in a YouTube studio with a blue t-shirt written on it, "I love ChatGPT." When you're done writing your prompt, just click on send. And you wait for your image to be generated. It's going to take a while and they're going to tell you processing image. And you also need to know that when you're on the free version of ChatGPT, there's only a limited number of pictures you can generate in a day. When your image is created, you're going to receive a notification saying your image is ready and ready for review. So our image has been generated and let's review it. You can see this is a 3D cartoon. You can see the blue t-shirt and you can see the message there written, "I love ChatGPT." You can also see that this is a YouTube studio because you can see a YouTube icon back behind there, and you can see also the gadgets that are used to record a YouTube video. So this is good enough. Let's try to generate another image. So this time we are trying to generate a realistic image. The prompt goes like this: generate a realistic image of a dark-skinned girl aged 22 sitting on an office desk. When you finish writing your prompt, again click on send. So you need to note that your prompt needs to be very specific. If you want a more realistic output, then go ahead to describe your image to the last details. You can describe the color of the hair, the texture of the hair, the color of the dress, the skin tone, the age, and everything, so that ChatGPT gives you an image that fits your needs. Wow, this is amazing. We can see that our image has been generated and it looks exactly like what I wanted. When you're satisfied with your image, you can always download it by clicking on this share button down here. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.